Hello, my friend. I'm Antonina, your Russian teacher. Today we'll explore Russian stress, the tiny mark that changed everything. So, let's dive in. In Russian, pronunciation is built on stress. It shapes the whole sound of the word. Духи, spirits, духи, perfume. Just one tiny accent and the meaning change completely. Stress helps us catch the right meaning of a word. If you put stress in the wrong place, the word can sound completely different and people may not understand you. Stress also shows grammar. It tells us if the word is singular or plural, or what case it is in. The same letters but a different stress and you get another form. In Russian text, stress is almost never written, but native speakers always know where it is. For learners, it's like a hidden rule. Once you find it, your Russian sounds much more natural. Stress is not fixed. It can change in different words, unlike in English or French. Stress varies by ending. When a word changes its form, stress can move. Example, рука, hand, руки, hands. You need a dictionary check. Stress is not always obvious, so learners must check it in a dictionary. Stress only falls on vowels. Only vowels can carry stress. Stress falls on one vowel. Every word has only one stress vowel, never two. Here's your lucky card. Yo is always stressed. Ёлка, Christmas tree. Ёж, hedgehog. Сестры, sisters. You never need to guess. Here the stress is on the first syllable. Mama. Listen carefully. I make the stressed vowel longer and stronger. Mama. The main sound of stress in Russian. Школа. Время. Книга. Рыба. Сумка. Море. Кофе. If you enjoy practicing Russian with me, come join my lessons, clear explanations, cozy practice, and real progress. Here the stress is on the second syllable. Музей, метро, театр, сестра, семья, тепло, журнал, вино. In Russian, the vowel O often sounds like A when it is not stressed. This is called reduction. The vowel became softer and shorter. For example, вода, потом, фото, рядом, окно, место. Let's play a little game. Listen carefully and try to catch the stress. Город, город. Собака, собака. Яблоко, яблоко. Комната, комната. Подруга, подруга. Молоко, молоко. Автобус, автобус. Хорошо, хорошо. How many did you get right? Comment below. You were amazing today. Russian stress is less stressful now, right? Keep practicing. Your Russian will sound natural and clear. See you next time. Don't forget, stress is easy when you know the rules.